now we've got here a Dell. Apparently it came to them not working, and they put new battery in and still not working, so it's dead regardless on either way. Okay, XPS P54G. You know what's so interesting? I'm working on this now. Look what I've got on my left. Exact same model. Anyway. Okay. I mean, I use that for my own programming and stuff. So I connect the charger. What do we got? What do we get? Oh, okay, it's not taking anything in. It's taking 0.02. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at this on the inside. See if she's pretty. So we're checking the DC jack. Nothing. So it does get 20 volts. Okay. And let's go to diode mode. Yeah, there's a problem there. There. Okay, that's our problemo, amigo. Okay, let's have a look at there carefully. Okay, let me fix that up first. Just check now continuity, or maybe just resistance. Yeah, good. Good. We have a backlight picture, backlight, and anytime now we shall get a picture. Yes, wonderful. See if the touch is working too. Yeah, sweet. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.